Welcome back to The Golden Touch, the channel where we help you turn your financial goals into reality. Today's topic, how to use other people's money to build wealth. The power of debt. The concept of debt can be intimidating for many of us, but when used strategically, it can actually be a powerful tool for building wealth. In this video, we will explore how you can leverage other people's money to grow your wealth by taking on debt in a smart and responsible way. We will discuss different types of debt, the benefits of using other people's money, and practical tips for using debt to your advantage. So whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, a seasoned investor, or simply looking to build your financial stability, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Debt is a financial concept that has been around for centuries, and it is a crucial element in the modern economy. At its simplest, debt refers to the money that is borrowed and must be repaid with interest. The interest is the cost of borrowing money, and it is usually calculated as a percentage of the total amount borrowed. There are different types of debt, including secured and unsecured debt. Secured debt is backed by an asset, such as a house or a car, that can be used as collateral if the borrower defaults on the loan. Unsecured debt, on the other hand, is not backed by any asset and is based solely on the borrower's creditworthiness. Debt can be used as a tool to create wealth, but it should be used wisely and with caution. When used correctly, debt can help individuals and businesses leverage the resources to achieve financial goals. For example, a business may take on debt to invest in equipment or inventory that will allow them to increase revenue and profits. An individual may take on debt to purchase a home or invest in education that will increase their earning potential. However, it's essential to manage debt responsibly and not take more debt than can be comfortably repaid. High levels of debt can lead to financial distress, and failing to repay debt can have serious consequences, such as damage to credit scores or legal action by creditors. Therefore, it is crucial to understand the risks and benefits of different types of debt and to use debt as a tool to create wealth only when it aligns with one's financial goals and risk tolerance. Using debt can have several advantages when it comes to building a wealth. One of the biggest advantages is leverage. By using other people's money to invest, you can magnify your returns. For example, if you invest $10,000 and earn a 10% return, you would make $1,000. However, if you borrowed an additional $10,000 at a 5% interest rate and invested $20,000 total, you could potentially earn a 10% return on the entire $20,000, which would result in a $2,000 profit. This is because the borrowed money allowed you to increase the size of your investment, which magnifies your return. Another advantage of using debt is tax benefits. Interest payments on certain types of debt, such as mortgage debt or business debt, may be tax deductible. This means that the interest you pay on your debt can reduce your taxable income, which can result in lower taxes. For example, if you pay $10,000 in interest on a mortgage and your tax rate is 25%, you could potentially save $2,500 on your taxes. Debt can also help you take advantage of asset appreciation. When you use debt to invest in assets like real estate or stocks, you could potentially benefit from appreciation in the value of those assets. For example, if you invest $50,000 in a rental property and the property appreciates by 5% over the course of a year, the property would be worth $52,500 at the end of the year. However, if you used a 50% loan-to-value mortgage to finance the property, you'd only have to put $25,000 of your own money into the investment. In this case, your return on investment would be 10%, $2,500 to $25,000, which is twice as much as you had paid for the property in cash. Finally, using debt responsibly can also help improve your credit score. When you make payments on time and use debt wisely, it shows lenders that you are a responsible borrower. This can lead to better interest rates and terms when you need to borrow in the future, which can save you money over time. Additionally, having a good credit score can also make it easier to qualify for other financial products, such as credit cards or loans. Strategies for using other people's money can be extremely useful when it comes to investing in different areas, such as real estate, business ventures, stock market investing, education, and personal development. Here are some strategies for each area. Real estate investing. One of the most popular ways to use other people's money in real estate investing is through leveraging. This involves borrowing money from lenders, such as banks or private lenders, to finance a property purchase. By using leverage, you can purchase a property with less of your own money and potentially earn a higher return on investment. Another strategy is to partner with investors who are willing to provide the capital for the investment in exchange for a share of the profits. Business ventures. Investors can use other people's money to start or expand a business through a variety of methods. One approach is to seek funding from venture capitalists or angel investors who provide capital in exchange for equity ownership in the business. Another strategy is to use crowdfunding platforms, which allows entrepreneurs to raise money from a large number of people who contribute small amounts of money. Finally, entrepreneurs can seek small business loans from banks or other lenders. Stock market investing. Margin trading is a common strategy used by investors to use other people's money to invest in the stock market. This involves borrowing money from a broker to purchase securities, with the securities themselves serving as collateral for the loan. Another approach is to invest in mutual funds, which pool money from multiple investors to purchase a diversified portfolio of stocks. Education and personal development. One of the most effective ways to use other people's money for education and personal development is through student loans. These loans allow students to finance their education and pay back the loan over time once they enter the workforce. Another strategy is to seek grants or scholarships from organizations that support specific areas of study or career paths. Overall, using other people's money can be a powerful way to finance investments in different areas. However, it's important to remember that these strategies come with risk and require careful planning and execution to achieve success. Investors should also carefully consider the terms of any loans or partnerships before entering into them to ensure that they align with their goals and risk tolerance. In conclusion, using other people's money to build wealth can be a powerful tool when utilized correctly. Real estate investing, business ventures, stock market investing, and education and personal development are all viable options for leveraging debt to create wealth. However, it is important to approach these strategies with caution and a thorough understanding of the risks involved. Success in these ventures requires careful planning, diligent research, and a willingness to take calculated risks. With these factors in mind, individuals can use debt to their advantage and build a prosperous financial future. Ultimately, the key to success lies in making informed decisions, managing risk effectively, and staying committed to long-term goals. Thanks for watching! If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Also, leave a comment below and let us know what you'd like to see on our next video. And as always, feel free to share this video with anyone who you think would enjoy it. Thanks again for watching.